Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. There is no intro, there is no outro. It's just this hoe. Hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend. What are we, 14 days away from the big day? Oh, it does make me sort of sad because once it's over until next year. And I just love Christmas that much. And now I have a new Christmas tree. If you guys didn't see that Christmas tree, go back and look at my collab with Tanya of Bits and Bags. My tree is fabulous. I never want to take it down, and maybe I don't have to. Let me figure out a way. Anyway, I have a collab video today, as promised, with these beaches, these hoes. Yes, it's Autumn and Yota of Yota Style. Autumn Beckman, you already know her too because she is luxury on a budget. All right, I am going to unbox a bag. They are going to unbox a different bag. We all bought a bag from Longchamp. I bought a couple accessories too, so I'll unbox those as well because I don't know where else to stick them in another video. So let's just do it. Cinder effing Rella. Today, right here, right now. Let's do this. Okay, bag of the day though first. I'm drawing it out, guys. It's this little bee's natch. Oh, God. I know. We can't get sidetracked on her, but I'm also going to tell you where I got this fancy unicorn nutcracker. It's probably from Autumn. Okay, let's keep moving because I just am looking at my battery and she's dying. I might have to finish this video on my phone, so don't be mad, okay, guys? Anyway, here's the Longchamp bag. I don't know what just happened there. That I bought. I don't know what they got. I haven't seen theirs yet either, so this is all going to be very shocking and surprising and good. I love that. Okay. Ta-da! Here it is. I did not get this from Longchamp. I had to order this on eBay, but someone showed me a picture of this and I was like, oh, I love her. And it took me a few days to be like, I'm in, I'm totally in. But then I was totally in. And girl, I love this bag. It's sparkly in all the right places. It reminds me, you know, Prada has, well, they have that fancy bag, but they also now are making a sequined version of that. And I already bought that bag and I can't afford another Prada bag ever, probably. So this kind of gave me the same vibes and I was all in on this. I really, really love it. So it comes with your strap, the strap on there. See what I did? I know, I can't stop. Which is kind of a patent leather or patent if you're in another country. I'm totally, yes, getting some cool vibes from this bag. I love it. I love it. I love it. And you can also top handle her, which also, it's all trimmed in the patent. You know what I didn't do? Let's give it the autumn spin. Yes, 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 yes. Loving. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. It's so beautiful. And I think this is another bag like the Prada bag up there that's sparkly, but you can get away with just wearing it with jeans and a t-shirt. Sorry guys, the camera died completely. Okay, I've got to get an extra battery or one of those dummy battery things. Put that on the list. Anyway, back to this bag. When it died, I think I was showing you the patent leather handles and trim. Let me take all this off because I'm not sending this bad boy back. I really like it. And so let me just see. Ooh. Yes, girl, yes, girl, yes. Okay. So everything is Longchampy about it. Oh yes. Did you guys see the autumn spin? Hopefully you did get to see all of that. I love this. I think it's totally cute. Okay, so let me see what's inside. Yeah, that is a pain point for me, but you know what? I think on this bag, I can just do that. If I want to get in my bag and be unencumbered by the flap. That's one thing I'll never, ever say, except for this one time, unencumbered by the flap. That sounds like a venereal disease. Okay, let's see. Ooh, okay, it's got all the stuff. Got my little cleaning cloth because with patent leather, usually companies, even Louis Vuitton does this with their patents, they give you a little cleaning cloth because that stuff can get fingerprinted. As a matter of fact, it is right now. So that can get pretty fingerprinted up. It's got the little booklet in there. It's stuffed. So the interior is just a dark, like the bag, a black canvas, but it's real heavy duty. You hear it? This girl. Okay. Liking that so far. I think this thing will fit a lot. It's kind of like the Speedy 20 where, you know, you think it's, oh no, it's never. I think this will hold a lot. It's deceptively small, right? I think it's got potential. Holding potential. Okay, girl. Let me see here. Well, let's zip it back up. It's got your little zipper pull from the Longchamp people. And where your crossbody attaches, not here, but right here, which I think gives it a pretty good distribution on your, I'll get up here and show it to you, but let's put this little thing back. Yeah, this is a pain point from the Longchamp people. I think Autumn said something about that on her video, on one of the Vlogmas videos today or yesterday. Yesterday. But yeah, it's just a kind of fussy thing that they do. Some people aren't bothered by it because Longchamp is so cool and, you know, fancy looking, and they're just so great. I mean, I guess if you're wanting a Longchamp piece, you already know that that's going to happen, and you're just going to have to deal with it, lady. Okay, what did I do? Okay, here it is. Here's the strap that came on it. I'm going to show you a strap that I ordered from Longchamp when it was on sale, like closer to Black Friday. It might have been Cyber Monday. I don't remember. But I got it in, and of course I looked at, okay, this is just, okay, I've got a mess in here anyway, guys. Leftover from my birthday. I'm just too lazy to clean it up. I don't know what's holding on to it right here, but something's, okay. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to clean all that up. But the patent leather or patent leather, it's not adjustable, so I guarantee you this is gonna come where? Right up under a big girl's boob. Yep. Let's try it. Let's just try it. We're gonna figure it out, girl. I'm kind of scared my battery's gonna run down. It's running down already. I didn't have that long. I think I was gone for like an hour. I had to run to the post office and come back. And of course, I carried my bag. It's kind of rainy here today. I thought it was going to be nice because, you know, Bill was like, oh, it's going to be 65 tomorrow. Yeah, 65 and gloomy. All right, so if yeah, girl, it's not, she's not the one. She's, what? She is sort of, I like how this is, on here. I don't think I would have enjoyed it being on the corners or on the sides right here. I do like it. Let me see if I can stand up a little bit. It's not too bad. Not too bad. I do wish it would come down just a teeny. Maybe I'll use my extenders on this one too. Good 3 inches on each side. That's all a girl needs, honey. Yeah, I like this. Okay, let me just see. So just, if you find this little bag like this, just be aware that the strap is patent leather, it's skinny, and it also is non-adjustable. So if that's something you know that's a bridge too far for you, just letting you know, girl. Okay, so from Longchamp, I ordered a couple little things, nothing too great or too big, but in my haste, there was several of the crossbody straps, the thicker ones that I like, on sale. So I was like trying to save the most money and get the most as I will. I'm cheap like that. I cheaped out, and instead of getting the one that would have matched this perfectly, I was like, no, I'll get the one that's cheaper. It's got a little pop of red on it. Okay. Also, it is not black. It is navy, and it's not adjustable either. So wonk wonk. I think this is the exact same size strap. Let me check it. But I can't wear this strap on there anyway. Strap on it does not work. I hate when a strap on does not work, girl. You know I'm gonna do it because I'm a nasty old lady. That's what she does. Okay. Okay, it's even shorter. So I probably won't send this back. I'll probably hang on to it, sell it. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I don't know yet. Maybe I'll gift it. I just don't know. But it's a cute strap. It's got the little Longchamp words in there. It's got the Longchamp wording and logo here, trimmed in silver like the bag. Now I did look at that. I was like, oh, it's trimmed in silver. It's going to be perfect. No, she's not. And it's got the little Longchamp, racetrack, horse racing guy. So cute, but yeah, it's definitely navy. It's definitely blue when the bag itself is black. That is not going to work. And I don't even know why I thought that would work on the, I think a chain, like a silver chain strap detail would work. Even I put it back away, but even my Chanel-esque chain that I got from Amazon would probably work on this. So yeah, I'm not concerned about a strap or a handle. We're good. I think I can wear this. I'm not even tripping on it. It's good. But this, no ma'am. That's why it was on sale so cheap. I got one more thing from Longchamp, and it is an SLG, which I already had one of these. I just got crazy because it was clearanced out at like 30 bucks, and I was like, I've got to have it. And it was purple. Y'all know I love purple. Okay. She's wrapped up, girl. She's tighter than Dick's hat band in here, girl. I started to say, you ever see old people say that? But listen, I'm old. My husband the other day, my neighbor came because he, we always get packages. Like I get stuff from his house. He gets stuff from my house. And he knocked on the door, and I went to the door, and he, oh, here's your package. Okay, thank you. So I closed the door, and Bill said, oh, was that old man across the street? And I said, babe, he's the same age as we are, but yes, it's that man from across the street. You just never know, man. It's like, he's the same age, dummy. Okay, so here's this little purple. I think they call this like dewberry or something. It was a weird name.
Snozberries. Who ever heard of a snozberry?
This had a weird, it wasn't exactly, they didn't really say purple on it. They called it some kind of berry or something, but yeah, it's a real deep, dark purple, which I like. I like that. But it's just a little coin pouch. I thought was super cute. And normally these are like 50, 60 bucks. This was 30. So I ended up getting myself one of these because I have the blue one. Like I said, I have it in another bag. I have it in an actual Marc Jacobs bag sitting over there that I use. Gosh, the zippers. Okay. So it's super cute. Makes a really cute stocking stuffer or a gift. I can't either confirm or deny that I bought these for a couple of really sweet gals in my life. I've said too much already. Never mind. But anyway, those are my Longchamp purchases. As I said, I am in this together with Yota and Autumn. So go check out. I'll link their videos in the description box because they're doing Vlogmas. This is part of their Vlogmas. But this is just part of Winnie B's just videos that I occasionally post. I'm trying to post videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, but you know, if there's a special collab or something, or Wednesdays and Saturdays, yeah. But if there's a special collab thing coming up, I'll definitely just post whenever. I'm gonna put, this is kind of fun, I am going to put Candy's video link in the description box. Guys, do me a favor, because she is doing a Louis Vuitton giveaway at 500 subscribers. And if you haven't watched Candy's Sweet Love for LV, her channel, she's a hoot. I am talking to her on IM all the time in my messages because she is crazy. But this girl has unboxed some bags, girl. I mean, she is definitely buying some good bags. But anyway, go down there, and then if you go on that video and watch it, put Winnie BLV, subscribe to her, and put Winnie BLV in the comments so I could be in to win. Or get in it yourself. You never know. I mean, she's doing this thing where if you send people to her channel and they put your name in her comment box, she's going to draw from those names whoever has the most, that sent her the most people. They win an LV something. I'm trying to win that, girl. It's Christmas time. Your girl needs some more LV. But anyway, go check out my girls too. Go subscribe to Candy. And listen, please subscribe to me though, guys. And comment, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do it. It's free. Yeah, it's my gift to you. It's all about the giving right now, guys. And anyway, have a great weekend, and I will see you back here next week on Monday. I have a collab with Yota. We're going to do some Burberry. Sorry, I say it wrong every time. And listen, if y'all see my husband though, ooh, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Guys, speaking of Autumn Beckman, she sent me some gifts that I can't open yet, but I am going to open on Christmas. But she also told me to open the box up and get this wonderful thing out right here. Look, girl, it is a unicorn nutcracker. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at her. Oh my God, give her a spin. Or him. Look at this thing. Oh, rainbow on the... She knows what I love. I am so crazy about this. That's why it's been in my video. Thank you, Autumn. You are the best, girl. The best. Oh my God, look. Who's the freaking queen now, Yota? It's me, Beesh. What? Autumn, I got my package. I'm so excited. I love it. I absolutely friggin' I love it. Thank you. I'm the queen. Autumn, my nutcracker is amazing. Thank you, girl. I love it. It is so good. KOOD. That smells good.